Hi everyone, it's Natalie and welcome to this week's plan with me. This week I'm using the Little Miss Paperie Summer Nights kit, and I actually only picked up a few sheets within this kit, so I am missing, I believe, the washi page, which is probably the only thing that I'm missing because I don't use the bottom washi, but I picked up all the other sheets separately because the whole kit was sold out. So I am going in with my whiteout tape first and using that to cover up the days and dates of the week because they tend to poke through the stickers, especially working with the light colours, and the floral print of the date covers has a white background, so it'll definitely show through. I'm also using that whiteout tape to cover up that box that's on the sidebar. And then I decided to go over it twice because I could still see the black ink through, and I was just worried that I was going to poke through the white date covers. Um, I did end up changing whiteouts because I ran out of my first one. So now I'm going in and using the whiteout tape again to just cover up the headers there because they do show through the stickers, and it's especially important as well because I like to extend my layout upwards. It allows me to do that seamlessly when I have the whiteout taken off to cover up the header, sorry. So now I'm moving in with the checklist and placing one down on each day. So to extend the layout upwards, I line up the top of the checklist box sticker with the top of the header that's printed on the Erin Condren. And I am, just placing those on every day and just continuing the pattern that was set out by the kit with the headers, because Little Miss Paperie has colour blocked headers, so they match the checklist box perfectly. So I do enjoy that. So you can see I've got the navy in the middle. I love these colours, they're so fun, bright and vibrant. I love the floral, it was super different to a lot of the beachy summer kits that I've got, and I just thought it was a beautiful theme, and I especially love that quote box that says Summer Nights, something different, so I love that. So I'm just popping that Summer Nights full box up on the, I guess, Thankful Thought box section there in my sidebar, and now I'm going in with the rest of the full boxes. So first off, I'm laying out the more navy background boxes there, and I did place the full box that says "Don't quit your daydream" on a Friday. So that was in the center on the next page where I got a quote on each page. And then in between all of the navy boxes, I'm placing the florals that have more of a white background. I love them. I just love this kit so much. So now I'm moving on to the headers, the to-do headers, to continue to extend that layout upwards. So I am obviously matching them to the color of the checklist and just placing those directly on top. I am using eyelash applicators to place these stickers down just because I find it easier to and lining them up better with especially skinny little stickers like headers. Now that I've popped all those today to do headers down, I'm now going to move on to using my whiteout tape again to cover up the second row of headers on the Erin Condren, because I'm going to place my today headers directly underneath. So you can see that I was starting to do that there, and again just following the colour layout of the checklist and the to-do headers. So now that I've got all those today headers down, I'm going to move into using the date covers. So I did choose to use the set of date covers that had more of the script font and the full day of the month, but I did like both of them. So I was using the date dots that are on the same page and popping those down on the date covers, and then I'm just going to place them on top. I'm really enjoying using the 2017-2018 Erin Condren, even though I did just buy the year of 2018 because I like to have a January to December calendar. But yeah, I love the layout. I love the colourful because I purchased the colourful. I thought it was really pretty and it was easy to cover up or match your kits to the painted petal design on the sides. So I've really been enjoying it. So now I'm moving on to the sidebar. So I pop those date covers down, and now I just used a heart tracker to track my Instagrams that I manage. Then I use a this week header and the remaining negative checklist to mark my YouTube schedule, and then I used an adulting header and the yellow vertical weekly tracker to keep track of my spending. And then on the bottom here I use a don't forget header to mark my Instagram and YouTube statistics. And I did have an extra a full box, so I ended up cutting that down to make like a little half box sort of thing there, and then used those icons from Planning Roses. And you'll see that I did make good use of that 9th half box by cutting it down and using it as washi, because I didn't have the washi page. So here I am. I sliced up that full box again and using that as washi behind my weekend banner. And I did choose the traditional weekend banner from Little Miss Paperie, but there's a different version that's on the newer kits now. Now I'm just popping my bill dues down. So I did have bills due for Thursday and Friday. And on Wednesday I am using a blank little thing and then one of the icons that are on the sheet to mark mail that I'm getting on Wednesday. And then Wednesday is also payday, which is super fun. So my favourite thing about Little Miss Paperie kits are all the decorative icons there. So I popped the payday flag on there, icon there. And then on Monday and Tuesday I just put some blank little things for now, and I'll fill those out during the week. I did go back onto the 26th and remove that bill due from the top there, and decided to put a blank yellow little thing because it is Australia Day. So I wanted to mark that it was the public holiday. So you can see that I just used a matching yellow asterisk as the icon on that little label there, and pop the bill due back down. And then some of my footage cut off, but I did go in with the TV little labels and put those down on Monday, Thursday, and Friday, my TV shows. And I did also use a flag and a Caress Press luggage sticker for Saturday, just to remind myself that I have some family members returning from their holiday. And then I also went in with my countdown stickers from KPL Plans and placed those along the bottom there, because I am going on a cruise to Fiji in the South Pacific next week, which is very exciting. So I did go in with my Sticker Sis Instagram reminders and place those on the checklists. So they remind me to take my full week spread and my half week spread photos and post them on Instagram. I love those. I use them every week. And now I'm going in with marking my work schedule. So I decided to use a gold foil Curve Girl Crafts flag, confetti flag, along with these crafty banana coral coloured coffee cups with my name on them, which is super cute. These were a custom colour that I got because I won one of her giveaways. So I love those. She's got plenty of colours and designs though on her shop. And then I used the work script stickers, which are from Wild Summer Designs. It was from one of her lettering sticker books. And I also went in with some Arctic Paper Studio gold foil travel stickers. These are from a $2 Tuesday sheet that she does, and she's amazing. So I used the this week and next week washi headers that are in the Little Miss Paperie kit, and use those as a background for the pack luggage sticker on Friday and the purchase prescription sticker on Tuesday. So that was a great way for me to use those, because I generally don't use them. And then I went in with a quarter box and the mail sticker on Thursday, because I'm expecting a big lot of mail. And then on Wednesday I'm going for a visit, so I popped a half box there with the balloons from the kit, going to see my family friends' little twin babies. They're so cute. And then on Saturday I used a half box and the family time sticker, so now I'm going to be spending time with my family that night and having a dinner. And then on Sunday I used the daily chore sticker with the planner from the kit with a Mandy Plans pink coral coloured glitter filming slate to mark that I want to film my monthly and weekly plan with me for next week. And then I also went in and marked editing on Monday and Sunday with the half box, quarter box, the laptop from the kit, and these Coral Clever Girl Craft gold foiled hearts. And then finally I just placed the laundry day stickers on Wednesday and Friday. So that's everything. I love how it turned out. I did go off camera, fill everything out with my Muji gel pen in 0.5 millimeters. And then I'm showing you what I've got left in the kit, so plenty to fill out the rest of the week. So yeah, I really love this spread. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!